In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grow your skool.com community. If you want more members, better engagement, and a community that actually feels active and valuable, the key is to be intentional from the beginning. Growth usually does not come from trying to do everything at once. It comes from building the right foundation and giving people a clear reason to join and stay. The first thing you need to do is choose a specific topic or audience instead of trying to appeal to everyone. This is one of the most important parts of building a successful community. A focused community is much easier to grow because people instantly understand who it is for and why they belong there. When members share similar goals, challenges, or interests, conversations feel more relevant and helpful. That also makes it easier for your community to stand out. Next, optimize your community page so it makes a strong first impression. When someone lands on your page, they should quickly understand what your community is about and what they will gain from joining. Write a clear and compelling description that explains the purpose of the group in simple language. Add a professional logo and cover image so the page looks polished and trustworthy. Be very clear about the benefits of joining, and also include community rules and expectations. This helps create a positive environment right from the start and sets the tone for how members should participate. After that, focus on creating high-quality content. Consistency matters here, but value matters even more. Share useful content that helps your members solve problems, learn faster, or get better results. This can include tutorials, tips and guides, case studies, checklists, Q&A sessions, and even relevant industry news. The goal is to give people something worth coming back for. A good rule is to provide value first before promoting any product or service. When members trust your content, they are much more likely to stay engaged. You should also build an organized classroom inside your community. Structured courses can make your community feel much more useful and professional. Create lessons that help members achieve a specific goal and break those lessons into simple, easy-to-follow modules. The easier your content is to navigate, the more likely people are to complete it. It is also a good idea to keep your classroom updated so it stays relevant over time. Finally, encourage daily engagement to keep the community active. You can do this by posting daily questions, polls, challenges, success stories, and discussion topics. These kinds of posts give members an easy way to participate, even if they are new. And just as importantly, respond quickly to comments. When people feel seen and welcomed, they are much more likely to return, contribute, and become loyal members of your community.